Yes, sir. 102.7 original Naija station. Back again. Money runs. Still on the matter. We still run the show. They go time no day. Orobo people they talk say okay, raw. Me say time no day because if time many. Naija please. I first tell them this morning say you wear monkey jacket. They don't know the meaning of what I talk about.
Monkey jacket. I be Sarafina skirt. Abula.
Okay, my man wears Sarafina skirt. That song when I hear right now, na Jesse Jag, na I get that song, and then today na HBD LLM people. Judges that want to take Christina again because now one small will train.
Hush.
No, you see that?
Hush in the building.
Oh, mommy, you see that Christine?
Sparking grammar, sparking vocabulary.
Let me give you the evolution of that Christine. That Christine, I hear her from my mouth. I don't know anything mean, but the word sweet. So I don't think I go speak and tell her today too. And I go say, young man, change your English. You understand me? So now maybe they talk that Christine. So we Christine that song for Jesse Jags, and we still get one comedian where did the house now. We don't Christine himself. In real name now with Christina to actually because this guy is bad. He they do things. The first time I see him perform.
Because if you Christina house baby, if he Christine you. Christine if jump,
yes. So
and then Christina will begin cry.
Yes, the first time I see him, you understand, now for him get one comedy show where they do every Sunday for 38 for Surulere there. The bad guys, the club before people know they go drink for there until he starts. The guy they talk black, almost evil color. You understand? They control the shade. They control the shade.
Okay, I just know you on the shine.
Shine on the shine.
Ekiti kete on.
Ekiti gine.
Ekiti.
Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, when I put my hands together as we welcome our comedian for house, MC Shaggy.
All right. Yeah, they expect to hear, hey, Mr. Love, I like original one.
Original Shaggy.
Now, what's only name be that?
Shaggy man, I want you first. So you don't say you pick the verse, they talk any, and I really would do.
Okay.
They're not for the industry.
No. Okay,
Shaggy, the two people, Mr. Patrick and Shaggy, anytime they want to talk or somewhere, first 10 days, 3 months.
No, you never reach like that.
But Shaggy say don't change because why? If first started to talk like him, they do audition.
Shaggy, Mr. Godwin, Mr. Gas, I say Mr. Godwin. Mr. Ariwayo. He don't give you go and one, so they plan and down.
That's Mr. Boko. Mr. Boko.
Okay.
No.
All right, now Shaggy, they don't welcome you very quickly. You go tell us who be MC Shaggy actually.
Well, MC Shaggy, a comedian, and also a compare by the grace of God. They try our best because they do our thing the way we're supposed to do. Comedian, they stay for Lagos. At least, don't they try for your side. But beside they stay for, you know, say, guess what? They stay for Egbeda or Coco.
Not some guy, but I got to area without
those one network, no, they reach those area. Then they quit, they get job.
What's that? Godwin don't popularize. Godwin don't popularize that in estates.
Well, Abeson.
The
way Godwin they talk, that's a blessing in Hollywood.
As in there, if you know they have the
Abeson.
Oh no, that place now Shrine.
No,
Shrine, we don't go there now.
Shrine there around that area. For instance, like Fela Shrine there around one area for Ikeja. But big men they live there.
My father bad.
So they get Shrine.
Collect.
You know not me, my head break again.
No, but not to rig.
I don't want to rig.
I want not tell.
Okay, so
I don't want to console you this weekend.
So MC Shaggy, when you start comedy, basically when you start comedy.
Well, let's say mostly when you don't talk, say you don't have man, and then you don't start comedy. But you don't do blood.
We know that you old for comedy.
You don't tell.
Now blow you not free.
I not keep blow. Because if I blow pass now, I'll be book around now.
but at the matter, Shaggy.
Yeah.
You talk something before say comedian don't stay for Lagos. You understand? That means he don't try.
He don't try.
Because we still get other comedians where they stay Benin, but we know that only 2 of them day. Because they still come Lagos, come they follow us the hustle, I go die, I go save.
No, those one are established name. I go die, I go say you never establish one go stay Benin.
That's true, Shaggy.
Go pass there be conductor or you work for Shomole as cleaner.
Okay, Shaggy, more Lagos somewhere matter because now those people I don't want to just enter my political line now because like men where we say if somebody they find cleaner now come here and go clean. You know why?
If you hear much
because I know the cleaners how much they collect all the effects.
Now 5K now.
Even I can't but they go Benin go do cleaner for this
class. If I can't cleaner, I go like be that can cleaner.
Okay, so you don't change your mind. Alright now, Naija people when I know how the palo they go, MC Shaggy 9 day the house, when I know say when a guy when I want full lamp. play one or two, it's not hard. Just call us for our line 014405800 because in can you actually to come follow us play 014405800 014405800. Then be the phone lines to call.
And then if you enjoy what enjoy they go on here, even after the interview, you get one or two things where you hear where you won't laugh with again. Call this particular number, and from that phone number, as you call them, you go direct you to where you go hear MC Shaggy voice again. Even after you don't go, enjoy the interview again. And if you also tell your friends and relatives when no listen now, maybe then call that same number later. Enjoy this particular interview with MC Shaggy now. But for now, if you try call to yarn with her.
All right, now with the carry the go the come Shaggy there. Shaggy tell us hey man, you should give that here scratch make them make it.
Yeah.
Shaggy don't do that. Shaggy wait. This Shaggy na DJ MC Shaggy. So we will come back with a more. Carry go from this one from Two Baba and Nicola in here. Neme. Pick it, yeah.